Hey guys, how's it going? So I did this Christmas holiday makeup tutorial and it turned out really well. I really like the eyes. I think they're so festive and the lips match the Christmas spirit. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already took my Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and then I already did my foundation. I took the BH Liquid Foundation and I put it all over my face, and I'm gonna start on the eyes now. So let's zoom in. Okay, we're gonna start with primer. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Yeah, that's what it is. The Urban Decay Primer Potion all over my eyelids. So let's do that. And now we're going to start with a transition shade. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'm going to take the shade Eden right here and put it in my crease. That, and now we're going to take amber and we're going to put it in the crease as well. Take my Too Faced chocolate gold palette and I'm going to take the shade Money Bags, this green glittery shade, and I'm going to put it on my outer V and the inner corner kinda, so like I'm trying to do a halo eye, so you'll see what I'm doing. Taking my Anastasia double-sided brush. Alright, and then after that I'm going to take some concealer. I'm going to take the Instant Age Rewind concealer and I'm going to take a small brush and I'm just gonna fill in the middle part. That's even enough. So now we're going to use the shade Rich Girl for the center of the lid. I'm just blending it out so you don't have any harsh lines. I'm just connecting the green to the gold or the silver. Now I'm just intensifying the green. And I'm going to put the red back into my crease since we blended it out and it got washed away. This is what the eyes look like so far. I really like how this look is looking so far. It's so Christmassy and I'm really proud of what I did right now. Like, honestly. We're gonna get away from the eyes real quick and we're gonna do the face. I'm gonna do concealer and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm going to use my Dermablend loose powder to set my face and my concealer. I'm going to use my damp pure sponge to bake the under eyes. For bronzer, I'm taking my Tarte Park Ave Princess, and I obviously need a new one. I'm going to use my Dermablend powder to sharpen the line. For blush, I'm going to take my Tarte Party blush. For highlight, the best part, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight palette and I'm going to take the green one. This one is the green one. Okay, and now we're going to move back to the eyes, and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with the Huda Beauty shade in the shade Nefertiti, this gold shade. Now I'm going to take amber again and I'm going to put it underneath my waterline. Okay, I'm going to put on some lashes and we will be almost done. We just have to do the lips after that. I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue. I'm going to curl the lashes. And then I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess mascara to connect my real lashes with my fake one. Now I'm going to take the Kylie lipstick in the shade Mary Jo K. And the final step is going to be setting spray. I'm going to use my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs, and rose water. And this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!